So, dear students, today we are going to be studying the use of get. It's very important. This one word, it has various meanings. Understanding them will help us to use this get word very perfectly and correctly in our spoken English, in our written English. So now, when we talk about using get, it is totally going to be depending on the meaning, what comes after it. The meaning will be depending on what comes after get. For example, now let's talk about the get plus noun or pronoun. Very simple. I got a letter from Tina this morning. What is this talking about? It means I received. Here the meaning of get means received. The meaning of get here means
Receiving something from someone.
yes, receiving something from someone. For example, I got a letter from Tina this morning. It means here the meaning of get means I received something from Tina this morning. All right, now the second meaning is here, can you come and get me from the station when I arrive? Here the meaning of get means can you pick me up? Can you take me from the station when I arrive? All right, the second meaning. If I listen to loud music, I get headache. Now here the meaning of get doesn't mean receive. It means experiencing something in our body. It's talking about illness. Okay. So if I listen to loud music, I get headache. All right. Got it now. The meaning of get will depend what comes after it. What kind of words are being used after it? A small structure can be used in various ways. All right. Now, next, if you get number 5 verse, it stops outside of my house. I have sent something for you. You can get it. Let me get a drink. Here, the meaning of get means offering somebody to something. Offering. Meaning of get here means offering. Let me get a drink for you. You have to use it after learning this. Make sure that we use how we use get in various ways in order to improve our spoken English language, because it's very important by using get a small structure how it can be used in various ways. Next is the other meaning of get can be something like possible. For example, I didn't get the joke. What does it mean? It means that I did not understand. There was a joke. Many people laughed, but I did not understand that. What will I say? I didn't get the joke. That means I did not understand the joke. What was joke all about? Many people they laughed while listening that joke, but in my case, I found little bit difficulty to understand, maybe because of language, maybe any other reason. So then how am I expressing myself? By saying that I didn't get the joke. Get you for this. I'll get you for this. What is this talking about? It means punishment or making someone to suffer. Maybe she did something wrong. I'll get you for this. I'll get you for this. Means maybe punishment or I make you to suffer. I'll get it for this. Next, the meaning of get means to become, gradually growing, becoming something. For example, Ria is getting to be a lovely kid. Ria is getting to be a lovely kid. What does it mean? It means Ria is becoming now a lovely kid, a lovely student. Might be her behavior wasn't good earlier. After a few months, maybe after counseling, we saw some change in her life. Now the statement is being made by someone. Why saying that Ria is getting to be a lovely kid now? It means gradually she's growing and becoming a good person. Next, now let's talk about the second use of get plus adverb. and then particle or the preposition, for example, get out, get in, get down, okay, get off. I often get up at 5 o'clock. It's talking about I wake up. I usually wake up at 5 o'clock in morning. I went to see him, but he told me get out. The meaning of get is totally different here. I went to see him, but he told me get out. That means he said me to come out from the room, from the office. You can't get him out of bed in morning. You can't get him out of bed in morning because he likes sleeping a lot. Next, son, what are you doing? Would you mind getting your papers off my desk? Would you mind getting your papers off my desk? Yes, of course. Why not? You can use your desk. It's talking about removing it. All right. Have you ever tried to get toothpaste back into the tube? Here means receiving it back inside the tube. Number 4, get plus past participle. Get plus past participle means get plus third form of verb. The meaning will be something different. For example, now you are got 5 minutes to get rest. Ria is getting married in June. Ria is getting married. Okay, Priya is getting engaged, I think, next month. Getting plus third form. Next is I never get invited. I never get invited to parties. That means people never invite. Next is I get paid on. I get paid on Friday. That means people pay me if I provide any services. Then because of that, finally I'm talking about that I get paid. I get paid. Pay, paid, paid. Get plus third form of a past participle. We are talking about here how we can use get plus past participle. One get is used in various ways. This is called advanced English beyond the tenses. We are learning English beyond the tenses. Hope you got something from this topic. How do we use get to make sentences? It's very important because we need to use it in our spoken English. Consider subscribing and hit that notifications bell to be the first one to know when we upload videos, something like this. Till then, keep watching and keep supporting the channel. Thanks a lot.